Welcome to our CAD-CAM video where we're going to talk about our new extensive library of counterbore holes, inch and metric, designed for all cap screws up to 2 inches in diameter, which includes normal and close fit. We generate all operations: spot drill, counterbore diameter, 60-degree chamfer, and a 45-degree chamfer deburring the top of the counterbore. Machining the counterbores in CAD-CAM is fast and easy. We'll go to the Easy Wizards tab and Hole Recognition. I'll zoom in on our counterbore and double click on the machining curve. That brings up the curve machining wizard and the details about the counterbore. Here we see we have a 4375 diameter, so we're going to match a cap screw to that value. All of our work steps get loaded. You get all of the features that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. The depth for the through hole is 0, so we're going to update work steps and that field gets populated. The work step info gives us a list of all the tools we're going to need at the machine. Now there's a Save as Rules checkbox. That means that any curve that I double click on of the same value will automatically populate the work steps. Now we'll do the same for the other side. Diameter of 2813. And verify our machining. Now I'm going to delete all of the work steps and curves to demonstrate that Save as Rule. And you can see after double clicking on that machining curve, all of our work steps are loaded. I did not have to go to the category or method. We just simply hit the update work steps and the counterbores are complete.